Hello guys, welcome to another short video on SharePoint. In the previous video, we have seen how we can create a SharePoint list and use different features like count, creating a different views, controlling navigation, etc. As you know, this is a separate list and it have different link for this one. There might be some scenarios in which you want to embed this list in your web page along with other parts, like there might be some video, there might be some table of contents, there might be an image or any other content. Along with that one, you want to embed this list. So let's see how we can achieve that one in SharePoint web page. So I have a publishing site. Let me open that one. In this page currently we have only some text here. So along with this one I want to show that list as well. To do that one, click on the settings icon, click on edit page. You can see there is some content. So just scroll down and choose the location where you want to add your list and then click on insert option, which you can see at the top ribbon, and click on the option web part. In the apps category, you can see different parts and you can see the list which we have just now created, that is items. Click on that one and click on the option add. As you can see here, our list has been added into our web page. You can customize some of the things of this list as well. To do that one, click on drop down here and here you can see there is an option called edit web part. Once you clicked on that one, you will see some more options here. Here you can choose which view you want to show it to the user. Just for testing purpose, I will use region view. Then you can see there are some defaults list options are there, new item, editing item. You can hide that one as well to the user. To do that one, just you can choose the option no toolbar. From the toolbar type, you can just apply. You can see toolbar is invisible to the user now. And if you want to customize the title, you can do that one as well. Just click on appearance. Here you can see the title. You can customize here. And there are some other options also, like what should be the height, width, and other things. So you can do other changes as well here. Once you are done with that one, click on OK. Then choose the option save. You can see here list has been added into a web page, and the options like navigation that works fine here, similar to how it was working in the list. So this is a simple step which we need to follow to add a list into a web page. That's it guys for this video. Thank you for watching this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, click on like button and share it to others.